am Archit. Today we invent a new thing. The name of the new thing is automatic dustbin. And when we go to dustbin to throw the things, we have a great problem to open and close the lid of the dustbin. So I think about this problem and I make an automatic dustbin. Let's see how it works.
Start.
To make this automatic dustbin, we got 7 items. The 7 items are 2 9-volt batteries, is a power module, a sensor base, a IR sensor, a servo base, and a servo motor. In a robot, there are 5 components present. The 5 components are a microprocessor, which is present in the servo base, a sensor, which is the IR sensor, a switch, which is present in the power module, dual and accuator, which is the servo motor, and battery. There is, for this project we record 2 9-volt batteries. In this IR sensor there are 2 things present. First is the IR emitter and second is the IR receiver. So the IR sensor through the infrared ray. Yes, so when we keep any object in front of the IR sensor, the infrared ray reflects and the IR receiver catches. So the IR sensor give a signal to the sensor base to the servo base to the servo motor. In the servo motor, there are 5 things present. The 5 things are a DC motor, a shaft, a gear train, when a potentiometer, and the controller. The servo motor types are 2. The 2 types is a linear and a rotatory. Here is a rotary servo motor. The servo motor follows a servo mechanism, which is a closed loop mechanism. When an object is present, the IR sensor gives the signal to the sensor base to the servo base to the servo motor, and for which the DC motor rotates, for which the shaft rotates, and then the gear train also rotates, and we get the output. As well as there is a shaft present, which is connected to the potentiometer. So when the shaft is rotating, the potentiometer's knob also rotates, and the voltage drops. Then an error feedback signal passes to the controller, and the controller passes to the DC motor, for which the DC motor stops or it rotates 180 degrees in opposite direction. In the dustbin, I use the IR sensor, for which when I keep the hand like this, the infrared reflects to the IR receiver, and the signal passes to the sensor base to the servo base to the servo motor, and the servo motor rotates, for which the leads opens, and when I remove my hand, the leads close. Is it a good invention? Thank you. Bye.